So for this exercise, we're really getting into some deep thoracic rotation and coupling it with side bend so that you really get the most out of your range of motion. Now it can seem a little complicated, but after you do it a couple times, it will become very normal. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing and then go through it once so that you can see the whole thing together and you can go through it with me. So you want to actually set up, what's best is if you set up facing the back of a chair that doesn't have arms on it. So a folding chair can work really well. And then you straddle the chair back. So if this chair was upright, it would be looking something like this. That's going to keep your lower body locked in so it's not moving. Okay? So I'm going to use this. And what we're going to do is start with our hands behind our head. And then you're going to exhale as you rotate. So we're going to pick the right side, okay? Now, you can always test and check your range of motion first because you're going to see it go up after you do this exercise. So if you go like this and rotate as far as you can, where is the front of your chest pointing if it had a laser coming off of it? And then check again when you're done. So what we're going to do is take a deep breath in. We're going to rotate as far as we can. Exhale as you rotate to let the ribs loosen. So again, now you're going to stay there. You're going to take a deep breath in again. And then as you exhale, you're going to side bend. Now as we side bend, you want to imagine there's a spear running right through the middle of your sternum and you're rotating around the axis of that spear, okay? Because we don't want to be bending down here. We want to be bending through here so that you can feel it on that side of the rib cage. So again, we're going, take a deep breath in, and then side bend and stay rotated. Take another deep breath in, see if you can side bend farther. Now we're going to take another breath in, and we're going to lose the side bend, but keep the rotation. Then try to rotate farther as you exhale. Now do the side bends again. Then we're going to do it again. On side bend, but keep your rotation, and then rotate a third time. Exhaling as you rotate, then side bend again. Inhale, exhale and side bend. Again, more side bend. Now you're maximally rotated in side bend. And on this third one, you're going to take a third breath and side bend the opposite direction. Notice I kept the rotation. Now we're going to come back to midline and go ahead and recheck your rotation. And you can see I probably gained 15, 20 degrees of rotation there after about 30 seconds of doing that exercise. So one more time, here's what the whole thing looks like. I'm just going to run through it. Listen to my breathing. I don't want to talk through it too much because I don't want to slow down the momentum. I want you to see it full speed. You can go along with me.